Hello, my name is Oliver. I come from Romania and I'm a ranger at the natural park, Parcul Lunca Mureșului. And I came here in Macedonia for a SMART training. SMART is a program, an application that helps us or is going to help me to get better monitoring species in my park and for have a easier way to prove my activity there.
Hi, I'm Rich Bergel from the North Carolina Zoo and the SMART Partnership, and we're here in North Macedonia with a group of rangers from across Europe providing training in the SMART software in order to provide parks across Europe with tools to collect, analyze, and use data to improve conservation.
Hello all, my name is Leonardo Kodra. I am from Albania. I work at the National Park of Prespa National Park. I have been in the training here in Ohrid in Macedonia about training about smart application and smart software and how can we use it in the national park.
Hi, I'm Altin Idrizi, IT Associate at the National Park Sharm Mountain in Macedonia. So we have been implementing SMART for a couple of months now, and this was a very good training session in order for us to be able to implement it more efficiently. So we have been going through quite a lot. Great training, great instructors, and I wanted to thank the European Ranger Federation and the SMART Partnership as well for making this happen.